Hello everybody, my name is Katherine Patenio. I am a student working on Review Board in CANOSP at the University of Alberta. Today I would like to present to you a usability fix for RBTools. When users want to learn more about a specific RBTools command, they can do so in three ways. Let's say, for example, you want to learn more about the alias command. The first method is to use the help command, as shown here. Another way to do this is to use the help options. Lastly, there is another form of the help option that we can use. Instead of having the help option located before the command name, we can instead have it located after, as shown here. All three methods work when users are using Python 2. As we can see here, I'm using Python 2.7. As for users using Python 3, on the other hand, unfortunately, the third method doesn't work. Having the help option located after the command name results in this output here, where apparently this command is not recognizable and it doesn't work. This is quite confusing and inconsistent. Fortunately, I was able to resolve this issue. Allow me to demonstrate. Here we will be using Python 3.7. Let's try out that third method. Fortunately, we can now see the output we need. Let's try out the other methods. Perfect, they all work as intended. In addition, previous to this fix, there were no test cases for the help command. To ensure that the help command remains functional in future releases, I've added multiple unit tests as shown here. This is everything I have to show for today. Thank you for watching.